Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to create a custom Jira dashboard in under 5 minutes. Perfect for keeping track of your team's projects, tasks, and sprint progress all in one place. Whether you're a project manager or a team lead, by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional dashboard that gives you instant visibility into your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, open Jira and head over to the Your Work section. On the left-hand menu, click Dashboards. This is where you can view existing dashboards or create brand new ones for your specific projects. Next, click the Create Dashboard button. You'll be prompted to enter a few details. Start by giving your dashboard a clear descriptive name, like Project Overview or Team Progress Tracker. You can also add a short description to explain what this dashboard focuses on. This helps keep things organized, especially if multiple people use it. Once that's done, click Save and your new dashboard will appear. Now, it's time to bring it to life with gadgets, the key components that show your real-time project data. Click Add Gadget, and in the search bar, look for these must-have items. Sprint days. Remaining shows how many days are left in your current sprint. Sprint burn down chart. Visualizes remaining work versus time. Essential for tracking agile progress. Sprint Health Gadget highlights risks, dependencies, and blockers so you can address issues before they impact deadlines. After adding these gadgets, configure each one based on your project board or sprint setup. Adjust filters, select teams or boards, and once you're happy with the layout, click Done to finalize everything. And that's it. You've just created a professional, data-driven Jira dashboard that keeps your entire team aligned and your projects transparent. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more quick and powerful productivity guides. Like this one, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy tracking!